Mastercard Manipulation to Book by Darin Martineau. Learn how to do incredible new card manipulations and magic to amaze audiences. Master Magician Darin Martineau will teach you incredible new card manipulations. Learn amazing and visual new card manipulations, new slow-motion card productions, the pop productions, super visual new diabolical techniques, secret techniques, fan productions, and much more. Darin Martineau is an award-winning magician, a best-selling author of over 100 magic books, magic creator of over 275 exclusive magic products, television performer, and is the protégé of the world-class card magician, Allan Ackerman, who is a protégé of the legendary card magician Ed Marlo, who is an author of over 80 books and over 2,000 creations in magic. Darin Martineau is also a Chavez Course of Magic graduate under Robert Rodriguez, a direct student of Benny Chavez, the creator of the Chavez Course in Magic. Learn revolutionary new card manipulations and magic. Routines are explained in detail with several photos. Learn the secrets of world-class card manipulations now. This is a must-read book for magicians. Click the link below to get this book now.